Hi guys, so this is my tutorial on how I do my eyebrows. So first, what I like to do is get this beet cream. If you all use Nair, it's the same thing as Nair, but it's called beet, and I put it on the Q-tip and just go under my brow to get all of the sparse hairs underneath, just because I don't care to tweeze because it takes too long. And next I am just using a towel to wipe everything off. And now I'm taking a spoolie and brushing all the hair down. And then I'm going to be using these little scissors and cutting off the excess hair. And here I'm just going to be brushing my hair up and doing the same thing, just taking those scissors and cutting the hair that's a little bit too long. And now I'm using the Total Temptation Brow Definer. This is by Maybelline and it's in the shade Deep Brown, number 315. And I'm starting to outline the top of my eyebrow and kind of filling in the sparse hairs at the same time. And then I'll do the same to the bottom and start lining or outlining the bottom of my eyebrow and then start filling it in little by little. And I like starting at the arch, working my way back to the tail, and then from there working my way to the front of the eyebrow. And the front of the eyebrow is what I fill in last. And now that I'm at the front of the eyebrow, I try to just apply less pressure and fill that in a little bit. And then I'll go back in with the spoolie part of this, this little pencil and brush up and then brush down on the top also, just to keep blending it in until I get the look that I like. And the last step is I'm taking this little brush, and I think this is a Wet n Wild brush, with a little bit of concealer and just kind of cleaning up the bottom and blending it down to my eyelid. And then I'm just going to take whatever's left and do the same to the top, and then from there I'll just do the rest of my makeup. Hey you guys, so this is the finished look on my eyebrows. Let me zoom in. So that's how I do my eyebrows. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, again, please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one.